Welcome to Dannyman1009 lunch, or lunch with Dannyman1009, anyway you say. This is a special video. I won't be talking much in this one. The honey, well, my Kit Kat honeycomb, really. Let's try these. I have a normal Kit Kat and cookie one, isn't it? But I never tried it. I might not even like this. Right, there we go. I don't know. It's really weird. Where's the honey? Oh, there's honey. I really like it. I thought I would. Rate him 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. It's weird. It's a bit weird taste from it. Nah, I don't like it. I do like it a bit, but not as much as I thought I was. I like honey, but the Kit Kat doesn't work with it. Yeah, 5 out of 10, or maybe more. No, I go for 4 out of 10. Not enjoyable, it didn't taste right. Well, it tastes nice with Kit Kat. Honey didn't taste right with it, for some reason. I'm a big fuss with chocolate, with mix of set cookies and normal chocolate. There's some I like, some I don't. But like the M&M brownies will be soon coming as well. And I'll let you guys go. I told you it'd just be a little mini video, this one episode, just a small one. Check the hot wings last episode out, that one. Or the adventure ones and stuff. See where I've gone if you want to. Or pick them up old classic videos, anything. Enjoy your day, subscribe, give it a like, and sub me and sub my mates, Liam J96. See you guys in a bit. Peace.